Right, hi guys, and welcome back to Paddy Does Cars. This is just a quick update really. Basically, first things first, I want to apologise for the footage of the videos because it ain't been too good. I think the cameras and the GoPro that I've got are just pants. So obviously I'm going to look into that, because I know the videos aren't put together too well and whatever, but I have just started out. But I do intend to bring better content and obviously better videos as time goes on. I don't know if anybody's actually seen the videos, but this is just me basically asking, if you do see them, could you please like and subscribe and maybe leave a comment. I have got another little project in mind. Well, I've already got it. I mean, I will give you a little bit of info. Basically, it's just a Ford C-Max, paid 400 quid for it, no MOT. So the idea is just do it MOT and flip it. Not mega money, but make a bit of money. From what I've seen so far, it's just drop links and maybe bottom arms. I'm not too sure yet, I haven't had a good look at it. But it's up at my dad's, but when I do get up there, I will take a video and show you around it. It's not a bad looking car, obviously age-related marks on it and whatever. But this basically was just to let you know that I am aware that the video pictures and that are a bit poo. So my intentions is to look for something better, camera-wise, or because, but like I say, I've just started out and I'm not into cameras or anything like that. So it's all a learning curve for me. And as you seen the last time, the bumper, totally wrong colour. So that's going to want basically redoing altogether. I've been and got the paint, like I've said. Don't look mega different, really, in the tins, but I'm hoping it is. And the only other reason I can think is I got told to use black primer under the silver. So has that made it go dark? I mean, I'm not too sure. I've been told that the black primer is the way to do it, but I think this time I'm going to use grey. So, like I say anyway, I've got a couple of things in mind. Just bear in mind, please, that I am new to this. So if you can, please stick around and watch the videos and subscribe, comment and like. It would be much appreciated. So, having said that, I will speak to you all soon. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will catch you soon. Bye-bye.